And we're back here for some more math. Maybe you remember the vuvuzela? That's the mosquito-sounding instrument they'd play at the World Cup. And this is like the World Cup because we're going to win this problem. And this problem has something particularly unfun. 2,107. 2,107. And then I have minus 428. Minus 428. The same boring routine as before. You know the deal. Do I have beautiful clean rows? Yeah. Pretty nice. And pretty nice there. Like it. And do I have enough room up in the skies? Plenty of room for the clouds to play? Oh, yes. And there he is. My guy in blue. Likes to help people out. He's got $7. But his friend wants to buy 2 Slurpees. $4 each. 2 times 4 is 8. He almost has enough money to help his friend out. But he does not have enough money. So sad. And even more sad is he looks over to the left and there's nothing there. There's no money to borrow and the zero feels terrible. He's like, I'm sorry, man. If I had $1, I'd give it to you, but I can't. But the 7 says, hold on a second now. If I just go to a bigger bank, I think everything's going to be just fine. And I'm speaking slow because you can probably do or think ahead of me. Ah, yes. The bank of 10 was sitting right there in front of you. I don't need to go to the bank 210, just the bank 10, because that's a common error also. If I take $1 away from 10, what do I get? Cross it out. Now, you get 9. So my question to you is, do I put the 9 in this box or this box? And the correct answer is here. So there's one more possible error. You put it in the wrong box. But what do I put in the other box? I can't just leave it blank. So I'll ask you another question. What number represents nothing?
It's 10 o'clock.
That's correct. The number 0 represents nothing. So if I have nothing, I have to put a symbol there. So I'm going to put a 0 there. And that's very important too, because if you don't put the 0 there, you could get this whole problem incorrect. So if you see nothing, the 0 is more than happy to be like, hey, I'll fill in. This is my job. This is my role in this play. So let's keep going. Oh, this second column is, well, there's my dollar. There's my magic dollar. And now I've got $17. And my friend now can get what he needs. He just needs $8. And I'll count backwards. 9, 10, 11, 12. Keep going. 13, 14. 15, 16, I'm almost there. 17, I'm almost there. 18, I'm almost there. So hang in there. Sometimes you got to count backwards quite a lot. Now, how many dots is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 plus 8. Wait, if I put a 10, that can't be right because 10 plus 8 is 18. I'm going to try and do this again. Oh, I went to 18. I should have gone just to 17. So there I go. I made an error and I checked it and now I corrected it. So I want to do that for you because that's going to happen too. You count backwards and you miss it by 1. And let me count those dots again. Let's see, I'll get red here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now, is 9 plus 8 17? Let's see, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Woo! I did it! Oh, yeah. Not too shabby, if you ask me. So the first column is done. Beautiful. Feeling good about this. I'm going to go to the second column now, the tens column, and I'm not even, I'm just going to get on my Harley and ride. Let's go. 9. Take away 2 of my dollars. I got $9, and you take away 2. I'm going with 7. If you have to count backwards, that's fine. 7 plus 2, 7, 8, 9. I'm good to go. Oh, yes. Column number 2. Beautiful. Now we see something we haven't seen before. A little weird, a little strange, not too crazy. You just follow your normal rules. You'll be just fine. No need to panic. But I do have a 0 here. Remember that 0? Remember we had to have a number up there. Take away 4. I can't do that, so I'm going to do what I always do. No big deal. I'm going to go next door and borrow $1. 2 says no problem, so he becomes a 1. And my magic dollar goes right in front of the 0. So a little different than before, but follow your same routine and you cannot go wrong. $10. And I'm going to take away $4. Let's see, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, my 10 is a match. I only have 1 column to go. It is super, super easy. I'm not even worried about this. Here it comes. 1 take away nothing is 1,679. Now I dare you to do this problem again. Just hit rewind, then hit pause. See if you can do it on your own. Just don't forget about that blue smiling 0 up there. When you have nothing, you got to represent it with a number. And the perfect number for nothing is 0. It's not funny, but thank you. I appreciate it. Well done. Let's do some more.